Got a car that's been around the block a few times? Maybe it's pushing 100,000 miles or more, and you're wondering, should I switch to synthetic oil, or is that a bad idea? Well, buckle up because in this video, we're diving into the truth about synthetic oil and why it might just be the best thing you can do for your high mileage ride. First, let's get this straight. Synthetic oil is like the VIP treatment for your engine. It's not just oil, it's engineered perfection. It's engineered in labs to provide superior performance compared to conventional oil. It resists breakdown, flows better in extreme temperatures, and offers enhanced protection against wear and tear. It's like giving your car a fountain of youth. Now let's discuss, is synthetic oil safe for high mileage cars or not? The short answer is yes, when used appropriately. Synthetic oil is safe, and it's often a better choice for high mileage cars. When your car crosses that magical 100,000 mile mark, it's like entering a new chapter. The engine's seen some action, wear and tear, maybe some sludge buildup, and let's be honest, a few quirks. That's where high mileage synthetic oil comes to the rescue. Synthetic oil isn't just safe for high mileage cars, it's often better than conventional oil. Why? Because it flows more easily at startup and maintains its protective properties over longer intervals. This means less stress on your engine and potentially a longer lifespan. Plus, many synthetic oils are specially formulated for high mileage engines. They come with added conditioners to keep your seals and gaskets in top shape. So no more worrying about oil leaks sneaking up on you. So if your car has over 75,000 miles, consider using a high mileage synthetic oil designed for older engines. Thinking about switching to synthetic oil? Here's how to do it. Step 1. Check your car's owner manual to see if synthetic oil is recommended. Step 2. Choose a synthetic oil labeled for high mileage vehicles. Step 3. Perform a full oil change, ensuring you replace the oil filter too. If you're unsure, ask your trusted mechanic for guidance. Pro tip: make the switch gradually if your car has been running on conventional oil for years. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive insights. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.